In this video, I will show you how to fix RV There, yet crashing on Steam using a few simple steps. Follow along and try each fix one by one. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find RV There Yet in the list. I don't have the game installed right now, but the process will be the same for any game. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Stay in the General tab and look for Launch options. Click inside the box and type -DX11. You can also try -D3D11 if DX11 does not work. Close the Properties window and start the game to see if it launches without crashing. If the game still crashes, go back to the Steam library and right-click RV There yet again. Open Properties and switch to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and download anything that is missing or broken. Wait for this process to finish, then try launching the game again. If the issue continues, close Steam. Now open the NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU, or the AMD Adrenalin app if you use an AMD GPU. Check for driver updates and install the latest version available. Restart your PC after the update is done. Next, disable in-game overlays. In the NVIDIA app, turn off the in-game overlay option. If you use Discord, open Discord settings, go to Game Overlay, and turn it off. Overlays can cause crashes in some games. If none of these fixes work, the last step is to uninstall RV There Yet from Steam. Restart your PC, then reinstall the game and try launching it again. This usually fixes any remaining issues caused by corrupted files. Thanks for watching.